how to generate passwords in LastPass. So the way to generate the password in LastPass is when you are on a website signing up for a new account. So LastPass can often automatically prompt you to create a password. So here is an example. So I'm just going to sign up with my account right here. So I'm just going to enter an email address first. And here is where the process starts. So here on the create password tab or section, you just simply need to click on the LastPass icon right there. So if you don't see this, it might be that you haven't added the LastPass extension. So you need to add the LastPass extension first before this works. But once you have it, you just simply need to click on it. As you can see, there's a password suggestion that will pop up right there, and this refresh icon in case you don't want that particular password. So if I click on refresh, as you can see, it automatically changes just like that. And if you want it, you just simply need to click on copy, or you could just simply click on the password itself right there to fill it just like that. But if you just want to generate a random password, you just simply need to go back to your LastPass vault, then navigate to the advanced options here at the bottom. So click on it, then this will pop up. So under the improve your security section, you will see the generate secure password. So you just simply need to click on that. Then this will pop up. Then you could adjust the password length. You could also choose from these options right there. And you could also check the boxes right here. So you could go with uppercase, lowercase numbers, or symbols if you want. And you could also regenerate it right here as what we did earlier. And once you have the password that you want, you simply need to click on copy password. And now you have the password copied, and you could save this somewhere, or you could use it to create an account somewhere. But that is how you basically generate passwords in LastPass.